different access method between linked list, array list, queue, and stack. Students, I usually found many of you could not differentiate how to access elements for linked list, array list, queue, and stack. These are all linear data structure. Let's see what's the difference. This is array list. In array list, for loop is used for accessing every element. It must begin with index 0 to the maximum number of the items in the array list. In this case, we use list object dot size and then increase the I value. Inside the for loop, you can use get method by passing the index value to get the next element in the array list. Second, this is linked list structure to access element. Different with array list, in linked list, it always starts with get first. This method is to get the first element in the linked list and assign it to a variable, in this case obj. Then by using while loop, and you have to check whether the obj is null or not. Inside the bracket, you have to do something with that object, such as to display, to compare, to calculate, and then before ending the loop, you have to use get next to access the next node in the linked list. Next are queue and stack. Both of them have the same structure in accessing their elements. However, queue use first in, first out concept, while stack is last in, first out. I hope you remember this. What are the same on these two data structure? Let's see. Both using while, and the condition that we have to use is while the object is not empty. This is for queue, and look at the stack also, while the stack object is not empty. Look at the symbol here. This is to represent not. And then both data structure use temporary stack. For example, this queue use temporary queue to store the object that we remove from the queue, and this is the temporary stack that we use to store object that we remove from the stack. It is sometimes needed to restore the contents of the temporary stack or queue to the original stack or queue, like this statement for queue and this statement for stack. Remember to dequeue from the temporary queue and queue back to the original queue. Pop to delete the object from the temporary stack and insert back to the original stack. Okay, now let's see what's similar in both data structure. I mean, what's not similar in both data structure. Look at this program. In order for us to remove object from queue, we have to use dequeue, while in stack we use pop. Queue, we use enqueue to insert object, while pop use push to insert object. And we have to insert the object, pass the object to the method. Can you see that right now, the difference between all the four data structure? Thank you.